Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting new product to review, the MP3 music player UART serial module with speaker onboard Monaural amplifier. This amazing little device is perfect for all you DIY enthusiasts out there who love to tinker and create. This module is based on a high-quality MP3 audio chip and can support 8 kHz 48 kHz sampling frequency MP3 and WAV file formats. With a TF card socket on board, you can easily plug in a micro SD card that stores all your favorite audio files. Not only that, but the MCU can control the MP3 playback state by sending commands to the module via the UART port. This means you can switch songs, change the volume, and even play different modes at the touch of a button. But that's not all. This module also features an onboard 3-watt mono amplifier and a speaker interface, so you can connect external speakers and really crank up the volume. The 30 class adjustable volume ensures that you always get the perfect sound quality, and the UART TTL serial control playback mode gives you ultimate control over your music. And if that wasn't enough, it also has a headphone jack and a TF card connector, making it even more versatile and user-friendly. Plus, it's compatible for Arduino, so the possibilities are endless. But we're not done yet. We're also throwing in a paper cone 8-ohm 1W speaker, so you can take your music to the next level. This speaker can be directly plugged onto the serial MP3 player module to use, and with its inner magnetic form and 8-ohm rated impedance, you'll get crystal clear sound every time. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to take your DIY projects to the next level and unleash your creativity, then this MP3 music player UART serial module with speaker onboard Monaural amplifier is the perfect choice for you. Click the link in the description to get yours today and start creating something amazing. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Get yours now.